everyone, this is Gardener Jeff again. Just wanted to give a special thanks again for everyone that's purchased stuff from the Amazon wish list. Again, we really appreciate it. And I wanted to give a special thank you to Herb for this awesome gas blower. You can see here this tarp gets really dirty, so firing this baby up and blowing all that stuff away is going to be a lot easier than sweeping it. So again, we thank you so much. Big thank you to Michael who got this white birdhouse here. The squirrels and the birds have already been enjoying it. I can't wait to show you the footage of that. It's been funny to see them you know, jump on this thing and, you know, act up. But yeah, I'd like to thank Claudia Gillette and Thanea for the no mess feed for this. And also Thanea, thanks for that gift card too for Tractor Supply. As well as Melling, thank you for that Tractor Supply gift card too. But yeah, this is gonna be great. You're gonna love it. I'd like to give a special thanks to George Ballo for this trail camera. We're probably gonna put this underneath the shed so we can see what the chunks are up to. Maybe we can find their den, who knows? But thank you. I'd like to thank ML Giggleman, Bonnie Bartoli, and Laura Price from Delaware, the home state of Chunk. Thank you so much. More of these blinks means more angles. Please drop some comments in the video to let us know what you guys want to see. We'll put these anywhere you guys want, so thank you so much. Thank you so much, George Ballo, for this trap. This is near and dear to my heart here. In the event that we ever have to trap one of the chunks to take them to get, you know, treated by a vet or anything like that, we can now do that. So again, thank you so much for this. We'd like to thank Angie Solomito, Cynthia B, Cynthia Williams, Sal C, Liz Stello, Renee Thornton, Pat K, and John Sloth for these awesome Tractor Supply gift cards. They help out so much here at Chunkland. Hey Chili, and this is Chili, our dog that you've seen in the video. Don't worry, she's harmless to the chunks. I got her trained pretty good. Good girl. Big thank you to whoever got us this wheelbarrow. Amazon didn't put a gift card in there, so if you got us this wheelbarrow, please drop your name in the comments. We really do appreciate it. It's going to save my back. So this thing's pretty awesome. You just pull this lever here and whoop. It's great. Really appreciate it, so thank you. I'd like to send a big thank you to Steve Calder for this drone. This is awesome. I really do appreciate this. It is going to really step up the videos here at Chunkland. Started using it a little bit here, as you'll see in this video. So bear with me as I get to learn it, but it's pretty easy to fly, and can't wait for you guys to see what's around Chunkland. So thank you so much, Steven.